morning, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to preserve the last bit of my red cayenne peppers. And how we're going to do that is we're going to stick them in the dehydrator. That way I can grind them up and use them as powder, or leave them whole and then I can make wing sauce when I run out of what I have in my pantry with my dried cayenne peppers. So let's get started. All right, friends, so this is gonna be a super easy process. The only thing I am doing is washing my cayenne peppers, and I'm gonna remove the tops of the cayenne peppers. Then I'm gonna stick them in my dehydrator whole like this and let them completely dry out. And I'm gonna store them in the pantry for when I need to use them for anything. I can just rehydrate them and go ahead and use them from there. So let's get to cutting. Now I have a lot of green cayenne peppers. Because of the frost, I had to go ahead and pull everything off, and I'm gonna find different ways to use my green cayenne peppers. I will probably end up dehydrating quite a few of them as well and just turn them into like a chili sauce or a chili powder that I can add to my dishes to add a little bit of heat. But if you have any suggestions on what to do with green cayenne peppers, leave them down in the comments, and that way I can get to preserving my green cayenne peppers for the year. All right, so now that I have cut all the tops off of my cayenne peppers, we're gonna head outside to the pump house where I have my dehydrator. You do not wanna dehydrate any peppers inside the house because it could have the potential to make you cough. It could put out a smell and just not be too pleasing to your throat. So I would suggest definitely dehydrating your peppers, any hot peppers, outside away from your house. So let's head out to the pump house. All right, friends, so we are in the pump house and I have my dehydrator here and it's ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the trays and I'm gonna line them with some parchment paper. This way I don't have to worry about any of the peppers getting stuck to my trays. If I wanna use this for something else later, it's not gonna have dried hot peppers stuck to it. Make it a lot easier to clean. So I am going to put my peppers on top, and I'm going to spread them out to where they are not touching each other. This will allow them to dry better, and it hopefully won't take as long to completely dry out these peppers. Once you're done, go ahead and place your tray into your dehydrator and repeat with your next tray. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and turn on my dehydrator. I'm going to set the temperature. I'm going to set it at 122, and the time I'm going to do 16 hours. I will come back and check it and see how it's doing. If I need to add more time to it, then I will do it at that time. So I'll see y'all back in 16 hours. All right, friends, so it is the next day. We are going to head to the pump house and see how our chilies are doing, if they are fully dehydrated. I actually went out after the 12 hours and checked them, and they were still a little bit soft, so I put it back on for another 10 hours, so they should be done. Oh yeah, they're done. They are completely dried. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove them out of here. I have my colander, and then we'll take these inside and put them into some mason jars. That way they keep dehydrated like this instead of rehydrating. Look at all these. All right, let's head inside and we can take a better look at these. All right, friends, so we're back inside the house. I have my dried cayenne peppers, and I've got a half-gallon mason jar that I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my cayenne peppers into, and well dried. You wanna make sure it's completely dried before you put anything dehydrated into it, or else it'll just start rehydrating these. And that's when you're gonna get a bunch of mold. You don't want that. Now that you have it full, just take your lid and your ring and go ahead and put it on top. Make sure you label it and date it, and that way you can keep this on your shelf and you know what it is and you can use it at any time. Either you can take it out, grind it up and use it as chili powder, or you can take it out, rehydrate it, and use it in making more sauces. All right, friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video of us dehydrating our cayenne peppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.